Do you know that there are some of dangerous Android codes that can unlock hidden settings, reset your device, or access advanced system menus? Now, stay tuned, and this is what I'm going to show you today. Some of these codes are powerful, and if used the wrong way, they can erase your data, affect your network, or change important phone settings instantly. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 dangerous Android secret codes and explain what each one actually does. But be careful, these codes are not for fun, and you should never dial them unless you understand the risks. Don't even try using them. Just know them. Even if someone you use them, don't try anymore. Note, these codes usually work without needing to press the call button. They often execute automatically upon typing the final character. Warning: extreme danger. Data loss and reset. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow, like this video, and turn on notifications so that you can never miss any kind of these simple tech tips. Now, let's get started.
Now, the first code is for factory reset, wipe all data, and this code is *2767 *3855#. This code triggers an immediate, full, and irreversible factory reset. This means that your data and even your important information cannot be reversible after being deleted when dialing this code. It wipes all media, files, contacts, and firmware settings instantly without asking, "Are you sure?" So don't try dialing this code on your Android. Second code is for factory data reset, less severe. This code is *#7780*##. This removes app data, Google account settings, and apps themselves, but keeps the system software and files. It keeps your Android as it was initially in the factory, before being sold. Don't try dialing this code if you need to keep your data safe. Third code is for wipe internal memory, OnePlus. This code is *#2947322243##. This deletes all internal storage content on OnePlus devices. All the information and data stored within the memory system can be deleted permanently and cannot be undone. Therefore, you need to be very careful. If you're not ready to lose your information, don't try dialing this code.
The fourth code is dangerous: device and network failure. Delete dump state/lag cut, system memory. This code is *#9900#. While used for freeing up storage by deleting log files, incorrectly messing with this menu can cause system instability. It is very important to use other ways when deleting dump state within the memory storage of your device, because if you will use this code incorrectly, it will cause many consequences in system device. The fifth code can update camera firmware. The code is *#*34971539#*#. Do not select the option to update camera firmware. Doing so can cause the camera to stop working entirely, requiring a service center fix to fix. Just follow advice from technicians rather than using this code for camera firmware update. And the sixth code. This code changes power button behavior. The code is *#*7594#*#. This code can be used to make the phone turn off immediately, even if it seems as if it doesn't have more effect, but it is dangerous for Android to turn off immediately while there are some programs running. Seventh code is the one which can enable or disable call barring. And this code is *#33# or *#35#. This can restrict all outgoing or incoming calls at the network level, potentially making your phone unusable for communication. Don't use this code and never try dialing it for any reason. And the next code, which also is dangerous for Android, is field test mode. This code is *#*4636##. Opens a detailed diagnostic screen with network and battery information. Changing settings here can lock your SIM card out of networks. Here, the problem is to be aware with some of settings which will be shown. Don't set anything you don't know. Disclaimer: these codes are intended for authorized service personnel. Using them may affect your warranty or destroy data.
Important safety notes. No confirmation. These codes act instantly upon typing the last character, usually a hash or star, often without any "are you sure" prompt. Manufacturer specific. Many of these codes are specific to certain brands, like Samsung or Xiaomi, or Android versions. Data loss. Using these codes can result in permanent loss of personal information, photos, and apps. Disclaimer. These codes are designed for diagnostics. Using them improperly can cause serious issues, including rendering your device unusable.
Now, those are the dangerous Android codes that you need to know, and never try dialing those codes. And don't miss the next video, which will explain well about safe codes that you can use in your Android for different purposes, which cannot harm your Android system anymore. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow for more simple tech tips, turn on notification to get more following videos. More advanced tutorials are coming soon, and you don't have any reason to miss them, so stay tuned and be ready for them. Now, leave the comment below to answer me, did you know these codes? If yes or no, just tell me. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.